With an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive sedan is well equipped. This BMW features premium sound, heated power mirrors, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, HD radio, Bluetooth wireless, heated seats, navigation system, and ventilated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.